Hello everyone. Let's talk about class 10 mathematics today. And my plan is to deal with a topic which is very popular among students. Most of you like this topic and I hope you got an idea. It's on the board. We are talking about trigonometry. As soon as you start studying geometry, you start dealing with different type of shapes. We deal with line, segment, circle and also triangles. In case of triangle, you have noticed that triangles are of different type. We have got a triangle in which all the angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. We may have a triangle in which out of three angles, we have angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Out of these three angles, one angle is greater than 90 degree. But there is one more case in which one of the angle of a triangle is neither less than 90 nor greater than 90. It's exact 90 degree. Such triangles are called right angled triangle. If I have to label this is triangle ABC, right angled at B. When we talk about trigonometry, so this triangle and your topic both are directly related to each other. We will not talk about this. We will talk only about 90 degree angles. Now, when you are having a right angled triangle, let me write its name. Right angled triangle. One angle is 90. So what would you say about other two angles? We all know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So one is 90. So these two together, they should make 90 degree. So if it is not 0, then in that case angle A must be less than 90 and angle C must be less than 90. It has to be, there is no other way. Now let's proceed and now let's go little bit in detail. Suppose I have a straight horizontal line parallel to the ground. On this I draw a perpendicular. That means I am drawing 90 degree. Okay. If I consider this as AB and here I have got point P and join this A with P, again I got a triangle like this, and this angle is acute angle here at present. We can represent it by angle P or we can say it is an angle which is equivalent to theta. Alright. Now in this right angle triangle, suppose I drop a perpendicular or I take a point somewhere here as Q and draw a perpendicular at this point. Naturally it will intersect at some point. Let me call this as R. Now in this you can see that you have got a triangle PQR where this angle Q is 90. You have triangle PBA where this is 90, and in the same way we can proceed I can extend this. Again I can take a point, draw a line here making an angle of 90 degree. produce it, it will intersect at some point. I can have one more, and in this way it will go on. In every case we are getting a right angle triangle PQR 90, PBA this is 90, one more point, again this is 90, but this angle doesn't change. This angle doesn't change. So what I want you people to do now, you do one activity, do one experiment, that you draw a figure of this type, take any acute angle and drop perpendicular from top to this line, or you can draw a line perpendicular to the base. Anything can be done. Let me rename this so that it looks little bit symmetrical. I will call this as A dash, B dash, C dash. So I have got triangle PA dash, PB dash, PC dash. Now what you have to do, let me tell you one more thing. If you are having a right angle triangle and this angle is 90 degree, and if I consider this angle, suppose I call this as ABC. If I am talking about this angle C, then opposite to this angle I have got this side. So if I consider this angle, अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं तो ये साइड जो है इसको हम कहेंगे अपोजिट साइड। 90 डिग्री के एग्जैक्ट सामने जो साइड है, द साइड अपोजिट टू 90 डिग्री, द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूस, देयर इज नो डाउट, ऑल ऑफ यू नो दिस, एंड द साइड विच इज फॉर्मिंग एन आर्म ऑफ दिस एंगल, इस एंगल के दो साइड हैं, दो आर्म हैं, एक तो हाइपोटेन्यूस हो गया और एक उसके साथ वाला। सो द वन विच इज adjacent to this angle, that is called adjacent side. I request all of you to remember this in this manner only. Many children, they remember this as base and this as perpendicular. So I want to tell you that base and perpendicular can keep changing. If you are having a right angle triangle here, and if I change it, if I turn it this way, then this perpendicular becomes base and the base becomes perpendicular. So the best solution is that you remember this as, if you are talking about this angle, this is adjacent side, और exact सामने जो चीज़ है that is opposite side. If you talk about this angle, इसके सामने ये है तो इसको हम opposite कहेंगे, और इस एंगल A के लिए ये साइड AB जो है adjacent हो जाएगी. So if I say about angle C, then in this case AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. ये याद रखना आपको. And hypotenuse, there is no doubt, opposite to 90 it is hypotenuse. So this is the basic thing. We are preparing this topic. Okay. Now what you have to do, you draw an acute angle. First you draw a straight line. Take any angle like this. And if you want little bit easy calculation, you can take maybe a distance of 2 centimeter. Mark a point, draw a perpendicular at this. इसको आप A बोलें और ये हो गया A डैश. Again take some other point. मान लीजिए यहाँ से आपने 2 लिया. Next time you take 5 centimeter. So this is B. Draw with compass. So this will be B dash. एक पॉइंट आप और ले लें, चलो 10 सेंटीमीटर पे ले लीजिए आप. call it C and draw a perpendicular. So this will be C dash. So we are having three different triangles, PA dash, PB B dash, PC C dash. We'll do one activity and note down its observation. क्या करेंगे ये आप देखें. First we are having three type of triangles. So first column is for triangle. Second column is for, we'll take the sides. Opposite side is A dash. So we will find A dash divided by PA dash. मैं पता करना चाहता हूँ A डैश और PA डैश इस ट्राइंगल का क्या पोजीशन है उसकी. देन आई विल टेक दिस ट्राइंगल PBB डैश. ओके, इन दिस आल्सो अगेन आई विल फाइंड आउट yes. Now see what you have to do. You have seen this construction part. We have taken A at a distance of 2 cm. I took B at a distance of 5 cm from P to B. From here to here it is 5 and from here to here it is 10. Please note. Now what you do, you measure A dash. A dash. Also measure PA dash. So whatever is the measurement of this you write here. Whatever is the measurement of PA you write here. In the same way measure BB dash and measure PB dash and then measure PC. आपको पता है PC is here 10. Measure CC dash, CC dash and write here. BB dash and write here and measure in this way. In this way you are going to measure all the three sides of these three right triangles. We are talking about this angle P. So this side is adjacent, this side is opposite and this side is hypotenuse. So we'll measure hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. ये measure करके आप उसको तैयार रखें. Now what I have to do, I have to find the ratio between sides. Ratio between sides, please understand. The first one is opposite side upon adjacent side. So if I talk about triangle PA dash, first triangle PA dash. So opposite side is A dash. That means I have to find A dash upon adjacent. Adjacent is PA. So write the value, calculate in rough and then put its value. Second time you go for PBB dash. PBB dash, मैं बड़े ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहा हूँ. In this also will take the same ratio, opposite side upon adjacent side. So in bigger triangle opposite side is BB dash. So I am taking BB dash upon adjacent. Adjacent is PB. Luckily ये हमने जानबूझ के 2, 5, 10 लिया है, तो PB will be 5 cm. Calculate, write its value and same thing you have to do here. अब मेरे ख्याल से you have understood. Opposite will be CC dash upon PC. Again calculate. So opposite side upon adjacent side, we are experimenting with three different triangles to find out its value. So you will know the value when you put the value, calculate and get the answer. Let it come up to 2 decimal places. Same thing you have to do here now, second case. Opposite side with hypotenuse. So in the first triangle PA dash, opposite side is A dash upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be, you can see easily, it is PA dash. PA dash जब हम पहले ट्राइंगल की बात करते हैं PA dash, इसके लिए अपोजिट हो गया, ये एंगल हमारा थीटा मान लीजिए. A dash is opposite and PA is hypotenuse. A dash opposite, PA hypotenuse. जब हम बड़े ट्राइंगल की बात करेंगे PBB dash, again BB dash is opposite and PB is hypotenuse. So it will be BB dash upon पी बी डैश, कैलकुलेट करें आंसर निकालें, कैलकुलेट करें आंसर निकालें, एंड सेम थिंग विल बी हियर सी सी डैश डिवाइडेड बाय पी सी डैश। एंड देन यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड बाय नाउ कि हम यहाँ क्या करना है, यहाँ भी वही चीज़ है, एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूस। नाउ इन द फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, ये पहला ट्राइंगल है पी ए डैश, एडजेसेंट साइड इज पी ए, तो आप यहाँ पी ए लिख दें। दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस, दैट मीन्स पी ए डैश। व्हाट विल द वैल्यू, आंसर लिखिए यहाँ। सेम थिंग फॉर द सेकेंड ट्राइंगल, एडजेसेंट साइड मीन्स पी बी अपॉन hypotenuse PB dash, answer, and then PC upon PC dash, answer. So this you have to actually do as part of construction in a way. वास्तव में ये बनाना है, वास्तव में इन वैल्यूज़ को नापना है, लिखना है, डिवाइड करके देखना है. यू कैन यूज कैलकुलेटर, डिवाइड एंड सी एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आंसर डू यू गेट. एंड देन we meet in the next lecture that what is the outcome of this. This is an activity, and now we are waiting for conclusion. क्या आएगा ये मुझे भी नहीं पता है. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, thank you.